Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to build a website with DreamHost, WordPress, and Elementor help. So first of all, you want to go ahead and install WordPress on your DreamHost if you have already added the domain. So you want to click Manage here on your domain, which is on the subscription plan on DreamHost hosting. And then as you can see, there is WordPress button where you want to click Install. So here you will need to choose the site purpose. So let's, for example, do a e-commerce maybe. And you can also install here a recommended plugins instantly. So I suggest to use starter templates because we will need this Elementor after that. And we can leave these ones too and click install. And now you will need to wait a little bit for it to install and be until 100%. Now you want to go ahead and click on this WordPress button once it's installed. And here it is. Now the WordPress was installed. Now you want to go ahead to the plugins and see the installed plugins. So we already have the starter templates and it's already activated. So now on appearance, you can actually choose a themes from WordPress for free. Right there, we want to add a new theme. And you can go ahead and search for the themes from here. They have a lot of free options. Or you can also search for a popular one, which is called Astra, I believe. And here it is. So you can actually install it and use it if you like it. Now, you'll want to go ahead and start with starter templates. So to do this, now you want to go ahead on appearance and starter templates right there. Now, once you open up this install your website and build it, you want to go ahead at the top right there. And you can see here is Elementor option. So you want to choose that. And after that, if you will not see this option, you may need to install a plugin of Elementor, but I'm just going to choose this one. And now we want to build, for example, online shop. I'm just going to choose the template from them. And let's, for example, choose any template we like. So for example, let's choose Tech Startup. And now we're going to start and customize our template, upload our logo here, select it, make it a little bit smaller. And you can also change the color palette if you want. And also change the font. Now let's continue. You want to go ahead and add some options which you want, enter all your details. And now they are building our website. We have to wait a little bit. And now once you open up your website, you can see here edit with Elementor option. So you want to click on it. And from here, you will see this load up. Now you will customize it as you wish. So as you can see, you can change everything here, add images, add text, and so on and so forth, and add containers. For example, if you add it here, you want to click right there, choose a grid or flex box, choose the structure, and now you can also add, for example, images, Google Maps, and so on and so forth. So basically, you can edit the titles and all of the texts here, change the images, the buttons, and many other things. You can edit the address and all of these things. You can also go ahead and, for example, add here a FAQ page because they already have it here as a template. Now, if we go ahead and click right there and click on Theme Builder, this will open up where you can actually click on, for example, header, just like so, and edit it, but you will need to upgrade. Now, the site settings are right there. You can actually go ahead and change the theme style of the buttons, for example. Overall, you can also change the typography and some other things. So site identity would be your logo. The background, you can also change the background type and many other things. But basically, that's how you edit with Elementor. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.